loosen this one up. That's the problem. How do you... Wait a minute, should we just... There's something stupid here. That was stupid, wasn't it? I just loosened the thing up once by doing that. It's like... Take the hang of it. Yeah, it's started to rain now. As you can see, we're not outside. We are outside, we don't have... Am I getting away again? Probably am. Got loads of slack here, dude. Don't worry me. Got something like too. There you go, once you're in there. Now when you like this is tightening up at that point. There's no like that one there. How's the other guy? Let's tighten up. So what we need to do now is this little dude needs to actually go on the handlebars. But we need to get him through this hole. Pardon me again. This hole here first. So pull you as much as possible. You pull over as much as possible. Don't tell me I've done it the wrong way around. I've done it the wrong way around. I should have done it when it was loose, not tight. Always start with small gear. Smallest gear. Can you take this thing apart and take the gears out of this? Not take the gears out, but just change the cable length on it? I don't know. Because that's probably what that is. It moves. It just doesn't have the... So much play have I got on this? I do have a bit more play. So I might have to just release it a little bit. Yeah. Sorry? Yes, thank you. That's fine, thank you, babe. No, you can turn them off. Yeah, I've got lights out here. Hallway light. Thank you anyway. See? You my wife. Why was that me that night? Sorting out my bike with no lights. Surely you know. I need literally a teeny bit more. don't want to lose. Oh, I'm screwing it aside. Still got a little bit of a ping there. Make sure you've got the ping. Fit you in there. Oh, I literally need it. That's the full power I need. Yeah. Okay, does this come apart that I can actually? I don't know. Find out in a minute. No, that's just going to stretch the thing, isn't it? So yeah, that's just going to make it even shorter. That part there. Literally, that's it. There's got to be a way to adjust it from this end. Apart from making it longer. See, it's there. It's literally there. The only way of doing it is untuck it from that end, but then you can't put it tight enough. See, here's my conundrum tonight. I can pull it and it goes. It moves perfectly fine. The only problem is I can't get it into this part. Does anybody know how to take these things apart? Just so I can. There's got to be a way of doing it. Oh, wait a minute, I just thought. Did that just give. Wait a minute. If you give it the gear out a bit, it might be. No, that's too much. Oh, that's way. So yes. We are on the right track. You can see what I'm trying to do now. I'm really just trying to put it tight. It's there, that's literally it. How can I loosen it up anywhere else? But you need to be tight in there. I need a longer cable because it's fine in there. I'm literally on the thread there, but that's all I've got left. There's got to be something you can do with this to actually detach the cable. Are these sealed units? Let's just do hold it on the bike. I suppose you need a longer cable and just go through the. If I took the longer cable off you, and just took you off, you'd have a longer cable, so I might be able to. It won't take long, let's see. Unscrew that, take the cable off. See, that's the point. You've got a thing at that end, and then you've got. So there's got to be somewhere in that box that you can physically take apart to actually grow up, make the cable bigger or smaller. So the only thing I can see is that, and that's, as I said, that's what fits into the bike. Boom. She goes on there. Once she's on there, that's different. But there's got to be something in there that I'm really struggling at this point, guys. Oh, back in a second. Love you and leave, guys. Bye.